Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk about one more product on skincare, which is Kama Ayurveda. And this brand is something which is very close to my heart. Reason being, I have been using this Kama Ayurveda from really long time. I guess 2 to 3 years back I have started using their products. So the first product which I remember using it was a hair care product. So today I'm going to talk about Kama Ayurveda's Kumkumadi Brightening Ayurvedic Face Scrub and Kama Ayurveda Kumkumadi Miraculous Beauty Fluid. So this is the face scrub. I'm also gonna show you how to apply it. And this is the other product, which is Kama Fluid, which is a serum. So this is the other product, and I'm gonna show you the packaging and everything. The box is really beautiful. I really like how premium it looks. So going ahead, so talking about Kama Ayurveda, so basically it's animal cruelty free product which is being acclaimed by. I'm quickly gonna go and remove my makeup, and I'm gonna show you how to apply the scrub, how to apply the serum. So I have just washed my face, and ignore how I look right now because I want to tie my hair because I want to start scrubbing my face. So what I have done is just remove my makeup from makeup remover, and I have rinsed my face with face wash. So the next part I'm going to do is scrub my skin. So for that, let's take Kama Ayurveda scrub. It's Kumkumadi Brightening Scrub, and you need to open it. So the best part is it's really sealed properly so that it doesn't come out. So this is the scrub, and I'm going to apply it on my face. Use the scrub on nose and chin area because these are the places which tends to have the white heads and black heads. Majorly I have the problem of white heads, so I generally apply it on my nose and even on my chin area, also at the corner of my lips. How you need to apply it, just apply it evenly on your face, and then you have to wet your hands a little bit and do it in a circular motion. So I have applied water, and you just need to go in a circular or anti-clock or a clockwise like this on your nose. Don't go so hard. You just need to do it in a little, gently press it and move your hands. Don't just go overboard with that, because otherwise it will gonna harm your skin. Same, go in a upward direction and a clockwise direction or an anti-clockwise, depending upon. Don't pull this skin like this. Always go up with whenever you are with facial or scrubbing or anything. So if you feel that you need to wet your hands again, you can do. So I'm done with the scrubbing, and I don't know if you can see the difference, but I can clearly see the difference in my face. My face look a little brighter than before. Also, I have forgot to tell you, whenever you are scrubbing your face, if you are somebody who is doing scrubbing for the very first time, or even if you keep on doing the scrubbing, but you need to hear this, that never ever scrub under your eyes, because this is a very sensitive skin, and if you gonna scrub your under eye, it will gonna harm your under eye a lot. So never ever even don't rub your under eye too much, otherwise it will gonna affect it. So avoid using scrub here, like under eyes or somewhere where you think your skin is sensitive. Don't use scrubbing, or don't use hard scrubbing. So what you can do is you can only scrub your T-zone, which is this area. So you can rub this, and avoid using on your cheeks or under eyes or anything like that. So you can scrub your T-zone, which is very important. This is the place where blackheads and whiteheads comes a lot. So moving ahead, I'm gonna use the serum, which is Beauty Fluid by Kama Ayurveda. So what you have inside the box is, so you get dropper inside it, so you're gonna use this with the help of dropper. So always keep in mind that if you are using the serum, try using serum at night, because then you will sleep and the serum works amazingly. So try using the serum at night. So this is how you're gonna take the Kumkumadi. You just need to use 3-4 drops. So I guess this is it, and let's use it. And I'm gonna apply. Try to make your face little dampened with rose water or something, and then apply the serum all over your face, especially under your eyes. Also, if it goes inside your eyes, please rinse it with the water. Never ever use it on your eyes. Use it under your eyes, near your lip area, because sometimes many people have a dark dark area around the lips, forehead, nose. So you can use it and simply dab it on your skin. One more thing, always when you apply facial oils, use your hands like this. So use your fingers in upward direction, move it like this, and under eyes like this. Go very gentle under your eyes. And as you can see, only 4 drops has done a miracle. So this is how your skin gonna look like after applying the serum, and I really like the texture. It is very light on my face. It doesn't feel like I have used any serum or any oil. So thank you so much, Kama Ayurveda, for sending me this scrub and serum. And if you guys have any question regarding how to use serum, how to use scrub, if you are somebody who are scrubbing for the very first time, you can drop down your comments and I'm gonna help you. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon.